outside in my dorm. Outside view. We are here at Paranaque. Kasyana residence. So, may swimming pool dito, guys. Ayan, sa baba. Swimming pool. And then, the other side also is swimming pool. And there is the airport. Ang ganda ng view. Minsan maraming ano dyan, aeroplano, dumadaan. Yung mga aeroplano, kasi nga malapit lang airport dito eh. Ayan, may ano, aeroplano na Philippine Airlines, oh. Hindi lang makikita sa camera. Ayan. Hindi makikita sa camera yung airport na kasi yan eh. International Airport. Ito sa ano naman, sa side naman yan is Okada. Yan yung Okada. So, this is outside view. Outside view, and then this is inside view. Ayan, si Donna. Si Ma'am Donna pala yan. Si Ma'am Donna.
Ma'am Donna mang ano, Guapalis.
Ay, si Ma'am Donna yan.
Ma'am Katchet. Tot!
Ayan ang kusina. Ito yung pinaka-main door. Elevator. The other side meron. Ayan, si Ma'am Donna ulit. Ayan, kusina. CR. Toilet. Shower room.